When you use Twitter effectively for your business, you'll never have to worry about where your leads and customers come from ever again. By utilizing the platform effectively, you can turn your account into a money-making machine. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Twitter for your business. Listen carefully because I'm going to delve deep into the strategies and tactics you need to use to leverage Twitter as a tool for your business to attract new customers and drive revenue growth. A key place to start is to define your target persona. Who is the ideal client that you want to solve problems for? What are their fears and frustrations? What are their wants and needs? This is the exact thing that you need to know to be able to direct your content strategy to exactly what they want. When you decide who it is you're helping, the next thing you need to know is what problem are you solving with your products and services. That way you can direct your content to exactly what your customer wants. The next thing you need to do is share value around that problem, and all that means is to share actionable advice so that people can see you as an authority in your niche. This could be tips, hacks, tricks, anything that you can do to show that you are a person who knows what they're talking about. If you can show that you're a person who gives actionable advice, then the likelihood is that people are going to follow you and you'll grow your audience. The next thing you need to do is to develop trust. Now, this is more than just showing up on the timeline every single day. You build trust by sharing social proof, whether that's case studies, examples of your work, or showcases of exactly what your product does and how it helps. If you're a startup, you can take people on the journey as you build in public. You can go a step further and use a scheduler like HighFury, a Twitter automation program that can schedule tweets, threads, retweets, and even auto plugs. The auto plug feature is one of the most powerful in HighFury. All that means is that you can set up a super simple automation to set up a tweet that can be triggered exactly when you get over a certain amount of likes. You can auto plug anything and send your customers wherever you want to take them next. That way you can capitalize on when a tweet does well and never miss an opportunity to generate sales. When you build an audience, you have direct access to your customers, and that means you can ask them questions. You can ask them what content they want to see in the future because feedback is invaluable, and on Twitter you can get it in real time. Twitter is not just about the relationships that you have with your audience. There are thousands of entrepreneurs and businesses just like you. You could be a DM away from your next business partner. If you share audiences, you can cross-promote complementary products and help each other win. And that's it, everything you need to know to use Twitter effectively for your business. Now you can start attracting your target audience and turning them into loyal customers. But don't forget to hit the link in the description or go to highfury.com to help you on your mission. With over 330 million active monthly users, the opportunity for businesses is huge. So head to highfury.com. If you like this video and want to learn more about growing an audience or building an online business, all that fun stuff, then you might want to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.